Hi children, so today we are going to do maths, and the book which we are going to take is this one. I hope you can see New Composite Mathematics. It is for grade 5. Let's check the index. So if you see the index, you will see revision, Roman numerals, large numbers, operation on large numbers, simplification, factors and multiples, fractions, and there are many other topics, but today in this video we will solve the problems on fractions. So all these other topics, they are kind of, except for factors and multiples, even this we have done before, but these are just revision. But fraction is a new topic, and so we will take it today in this video. So fractions, 83 page. So actually you know what are fractions. Fraction is a part of a whole, such as 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, etc. So what is a fraction? So if we take this 2 by 3, let me write the topic first. Okay, so yeah, so if we say 2 by 3 is a fraction, what do you mean by this? If this is a whole thing, and if we divide it into 3 equal parts, okay, so the upper part is the one which we have taken out of the full 3 parts. So this means the 2 parts are out of the complete 3 parts. Okay, so this is called fraction. Fraction is a part taken from a whole part. So 2 by 3. Similarly 4 by 7. So there are 7 parts. We have taken 4 out of 7. So this is how the fractions are done. So there are different types of fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions. Children, we will solve the problems also. Okay, so unlike fractions, then unit fraction, proper fractions, and improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Okay, yeah. So what are like fractions? Like fractions are, okay, before this, a very basic thing. I know you all know, but since I am teaching you for the first time, it's my duty to tell you the basic things. So the upper portion is called numerator. I know you all know this, and the below one is denominator. Okay, so like fractions are those fractions. Let me give you some examples. 3 by 4, 3 by say 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. What similarity do you see in all these? You will see that in all the fractions the denominators are same. So the like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are same. Okay, then comes unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominators are not same. They have different denominators. like this, whatever. Okay, all denominators are different, so you will say these are unlike fractions and these are like fractions. Unit fractions, very simple, the fraction whose numerator is 1 by anything. Okay, numerator is 1, these are called unit fractions. Proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here, numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. Is this a proper fraction? No, because numerator is greater than denominator. So when numerator is greater than denominator, it becomes improper fraction. 13 by say 6, 5 by 4, these are all improper fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a fraction. Proper fraction, say a whole number and a proper fraction. This is also a unit fraction, but proper fraction because its numerator is less than denominator. Okay, this is the whole number, this is the fraction. So the combination of these two is a mixed fraction. Now please, can you see? Okay, please note, mixed fraction is always derived from improper fraction. Whenever there is a improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. And whenever there is an improper fraction or proper fraction, first of all you have to convert it into the least equivalent. That I'll explain you later, but right now you just have to remember this much, that whenever your answer is in improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. How to convert it, I'll explain you in the later portion. So okay, so these are all different type of fractions. Shall we start solving the problems? So the first one, it's very easy. Write the fractions for the shaded parts and the unshaded parts. How many are shaded parts? 2. So 2 by how many total parts? 3. So 2 by 3. So this is the answer for the fraction for shaded part. Unshaded part, 1 by, again, total number of parts, 1 by 3. Understood? Don't get confused that if they ask write the fraction for shaded part, you will write 2 by 1 because only 1 is left. No, always remember denominator is full, that is total number of parts. Shaded plus unshaded. Okay. Okay. So next here, 1 by total number of parts, that is 6. So 1 by 6. Unshaded, 5 by total number of parts, 6. Shaded, 4 by 9. Unshaded, 5 by 9. Is that clear to you? It's, I think, very easy. Now circle each one of the unit fractions given below. Remember, what are unit fractions? Unit fractions are those fractions whose numerator is 1. 6 by 1, is it a unit fraction? No, its denominator is 1. So here I have to tell you something. So when denominator is 1, it doesn't make sense of writing 1 as a denominator. It is equal to 6. So whenever denominator is 1, you don't have to write it. 6 itself means that its denominator is 1. So okay, coming back to unit fractions. 6 by 1 is not a unit fraction. 1 by 4 is a unit fraction because 1 is numerator is 1. 1 by 7, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, all of these are unit fractions. Then next, circle each pair of like fractions given below. Let's revise. What are like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are same. Okay, so here 3 by 5, 4 by 5, yes, they are like fractions because their denominators are same. These are not, these are same. These are like fractions because denominators are same. These are not. Circle each pair of unlike fractions given below. 1 by 4, 1 by 7, different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. 3 by 4, 3 by 5, denominators are different. These are unlike fractions. Don't pay any attention to the numerators in like and unlike fractions. Whether they are same or not, you don't have to see that. You just have to concentrate on denominator. If denominator is same, they are like fractions. If denominators are not same, they are unlike fractions. So here numerators are same. Don't look at it. 4 by 9, 7 by 9, they are like fractions. These are also like fractions. Okay, circle each one of the proper fractions given below. What are proper fractions? Proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so here 5 by 3, no, numerator is greater, it's not proper. This is proper. So when numerator and denominator are same, they are equal to 1. Okay, 3 by 3 doesn't make sense, it is equal to 1. And yeah, it's not a proper fraction. 8 by 11, 8 by 11 is proper fraction, its numerator is less than denominator. 6 by 1, it's improper, but since denominator is 1, it is a whole number, it's a 6, it's not a fraction. Circle each one of the following improper fractions given below. 7 by 8, is it an improper fraction? No. 4 by 4, it's a whole number. As I told you here also, that when numerator and denominators are same, they are whole numbers. 11 by 6, improper. Numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Convert each of the following into an improper fraction. 3 by 5. So now this is interesting. Here I'll explain you. 3 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. How to convert it into? Children, can you see? Okay, sorry. So convert it into improper fraction. Let me repeat. Mixed fraction will always be converted into improper fraction. It can never be converted into proper fraction. Okay? So the rule is, write the whole number, multiply by denominator. What is denominator? Plus numerator divided by, that is upon the denominator. 3 by 5 is 3, 5s are 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. This is the answer, 18 by 5. Isn't it an improper fraction? Yes, it is. right? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so this is how you have to. The formula is, remember the formula of converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Always remember this. Okay, so (18 by 5), 2 5 by 7. So let me solve it. Children, I'm new in making videos, so please excuse me if I'm doing everything in not a very neat and clean manner. You all support me and I will improve. But my maths is good as long as teaching maths is concerned. And if you have any problem, you can always drop your doubts in the message comment column. Okay, yeah, so we did this one. 2 5 by 7, 2 5 by 7, whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator upon denominator is equal to 2 into 7 14 plus 5 19 by 7. Then comes 6 2 by 3. Tell me. Okay, 6 2 by 3 will be 6 multiplied by denominator plus numerator upon denominator 20 by 3. Okay, then comes 4 5 by 6, whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Oh, I wrote here denominator. Look at me. 4 into 6 24 plus 5 29, 29 by 6. 7 1 by 7. Do it yourself. Okay, now next is again very interesting. Convert each of the following into a mixed number. In the previous question, what did we do? We converted mixed fraction into improper. Now these improper fractions into mixed fractions. As mixed fractions can be converted only into improper fractions, similarly improper fractions can only be converted into mixed fraction. Okay, now this one 11 by 4, 11 by 4. So what is the rule? 11 divided by 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8. I hope I don't have to show you the division method in the lengthy manner, right? I don't have to show you that first 4 zeros are 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1, no, and then 11, 4 2s are 8. No, I'll directly write because you are big children. So 4 2s are 8, 11 minus 8 3. Okay, this is what quotient, this is what remainder. Okay, and this is what denominator. So whole number numerator upon denominator, right? This is a mixed fraction now. So whole number will be the quotient, numerator will be the remainder, and denominator will be same. This is the answer. Got it? Okay. Next, 17 by 8. 17, 8. 2s are 16, 1. Quotient whole number, remainder numerator, denominator will be same, divisor will be the denominator. Okay, so we will do fast. 23 by 6, 3s are 18, 5, tell me, yeah, tell me, 3 will be the whole number, remainder will be like this. Okay, next 19 by 5, 19, 5, 3s are 15. Children, my writing is not good now. Yeah, because I have a habit of teaching big children, so I take them for granted that they will understand my handwriting. This is how you have to do this one. Last, I expect you to do it yourself. Okay, now write 4 fractions equivalent to each of the following. How do you find the equivalent of a fraction? So equivalent of a fraction means you have to multiply that fraction with the same number, with the denominator, and same number with the numerator. For example, question number 9. If 2 by 3 is a question and we have to find out the equivalent fractions, how will we do? First, 2 by 3, we will multiply it by 2, denominator we will multiply by 2, then numerator we will multiply by 3, denominator we will multiply by 3. Numerator after 3, see 2, 3, then what comes? 4, denominator 4. So they have asked for 4 fractions, equivalent fractions. 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 2, 5, 3, 5. So the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 are 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, and 10 by 50. This is the answer. Understood? So again I'll repeat. To find out the equivalent fractions of a particular fraction, we have to multiply its numerator and denominator by the same number, and keep on doing that. First you multiply by 2, then you multiply by 3, then 4, then 5. As many they have asked, those many times you have to multiply. So yeah, so the next is 5 by 6. B 5 by 6. 5 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 5. Again you will write here. So the equivalent, yeah, the same things. If fractions of 5 by 6 are 10 by 12, 15 by 18, 20 by 24, and 25 by 30. Okay? So many they have given. Will you be able to do it yourself, bacha? Okay, one more I do. 4 by 7. Okay? Equivalent fraction 4 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 4, 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 5. So the equivalent fractions of 4 by 7 you have to write, okay? Don't do like this. You will say that you only told us to do like this. No, you have to write. So the equivalent fractions of 4 by 7 are 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28 and 20 by 35. ठीक है? Three by 5, 8 by 11 and 8 by 11. Both 4 equivalent fractions. Please you find it out yourself. Now the question number 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I will make another video, and till then, bye bye, see you. So that is mandatory to say that subscribe my channel, like it, please drop the comments. If you find anything wrong or any suggestions, please, children, if your mother or some elder people are sitting with you watching this video, tell them. If they find any mistake, please drop comment. I am there to solve it, correct it, and if you encourage me, I'll come up with another videos. Any which ways, I am going to make another video for the remaining questions. Okay, bye.